Hi, in this screencast we're going to consider world level methods in Alice. Let's consider this animation. The cow turns its head, says hello, and the chicken jumps. Here's the code to do that. The cow does its work in two statements, and then all of these statements here are the chicken jumping. That's a little bit too complex. I'd really like to just abstract all that into something called jump. That would make it easier for me to use that code at several points in the program. I would just have this jump call that I would plunk down wherever I needed it. And if later on I wanted to make it fancier, I would just have to change that one chunk of code rather than finding all the instances of this and changing them. So let's go ahead and turn this into a world level jump method. The first thing I want to do is to package all this code up. I'm going to move it into the jump method that I'm going to create. So I'm going to drag in a do in order and then drag these two togethers inside the do in order. Okay. Now I want to create a world level method jump. So I'm going to come up here into the object tree, make sure that world is selected. I should see world's details here. I'm going to create a new method. So I'm going to click that button and name it jump. Click OK. Here's my jump method, which is, as you can see, empty right now. So we're going to go back to world my first method. Click on that. I'm going to drag do in order up into the clipboard over here, right up there in the top. Go back to world.jump. Drag that code down, and there it is. So this is all the code necessary for doing a jump. And there's the jump method. Right, so now I can just think about jump. I don't have to think about all this code. Go back to world my first method. Now I can delete all this code. Drag the jump method in. This greatly simplifies the look of the program, and it should behave exactly as it did before. Yep, the program has the same behavior. It looks much better. Right, and if I want to make changes, I can just make them here, and all the places where the jump method were being called before would be automatically updated. Right, this is what we call abstraction in computer science. It's a really, really powerful technique.